How to fix GCash app account is on hold issue. If you're having this issue on GCash application, then this video is for you. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. Then on the searching bar, search for GCash Help Center. Then hit on its official website. Once you go through the GCash Help Center official website, you will be landed to this page. From here, on the bottom right corner, you will see Chat with GG option, where you can live chat with GCash Help Support. Here, you have to add your issue that you're having account on hold issue. Then they will give you out a form which you have to fill out, and GCash team will help you out within the 24 hours to solve your issue. Simply fill out this form and hit on send. And then you are good to go. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.